guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a food episode. I'm going to show you how I make this. Yes, Christine, you did good. Brownie points. English muffin points. This is my version of a protein English muffin. It's very light. And then I'm going to show you how to turn it into this. Let me transform it. You may have seen on my Instagram stories that I've been experimenting with alternative ingredients in order to maintain, welcome to the gun show, partner it up with Happyway to see what I can make. And then I chose something from their Instagram, Happyway recipes. I chose something from their recipe account, which I thought I could make. Mine doesn't look the same as the picture, but it tastes good. Are you ready? Without further ado, let's go. Never done this before. There's always a first for everything. Oops. Oh. Hey, have you guys tried Happyway? What is it? I've got two things. So one is like a vanilla protein, but it's all natural and no preservatives. And this one is actually a pre-workout. Do you want to try a taste? It smells nice. It smells like sherbet. Oh, do you love pre-workout? Two mils of water. 200. What's 10 grams?
That would be like maybe like
a teaspoon. A tablespoon? 20 grams is 1 teaspoon. So we need half a teaspoon. That's not much, but maybe that's all we need. It is 5 p.m. Yeah. What do you guys plan on doing for the rest of the day? Yes. Oh, it's pretty. So this is, do you know dragon fruit? It's that pink fruit that's got the spikes on the outside.
Yeah. Wow.
Is it not get energized?
Wow, you've been busy.
That's an egg. No, it's fresh.
Oh.
This is Ben.
Get on in. Wow.
This is that one that you checked out the other day.
It's strawberry?
It's dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit.
Yeah. Do you want some more? Well, at the rate that we're going at half a teaspoon, I think we'll be alright. Yeah, this is for you. Ready? Cheers.
Salud.
Salud.
That's so refreshing.
I'm really into that. Isn't it? And sometimes apparently you can just drink it while you're exercising.
So this is not a whey.
This is not a whey. This is a whey.
So what's this? Just a...
It's an energy drink.
Ah.
It's very light, isn't it? Yeah, read it.
Really refreshing.
It's very nice.
No added sugars. Is there stevia in it? Organic stevia. It's just a sweet.
Wow.
That's the fat burning blend part.
It's a natural.
African mango extract.
Oh.
It's really yummy.
You're in my cooking segment. This has been in my cooking segment.
It's an all natural fat burner.
Loving it.
Now let's just get that into our bloodstream faster by doing star jumps. Do you ever do it in the shower when you've had a coffee and you're like, I wish that coffee would get into me faster, so you just start moving in the shower? You don't do that?
No.
Okay.
Never happened.
All right. Back to business. By the way, I'm going to be using, get it? Way. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be using oats. Here it is. I'm going to pop it in this. We're going to do this and we're going to do this. I'm just going to blend for 5 seconds, okay? Okay, so this is a single serve recipe, meaning it will serve one person. We'll start off with half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of vanilla protein powder. There's a spoon, and pop it into there. And then we'll go half a banana. We've got 1 egg. Then we'll be using 2 teaspoons of coconut flour, 6 teaspoons of oat flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then now what we're going to do is we are going to combine all of the dry ingredients. Half the banana, we're going to mash it. I normally mash mine in the blender, but the recipe said to use a fork so that we can have some chunks in there. Mix, and then add the egg. So these are the wet ingredients, and then we're going to mix it together until it's soft-ish. And then we're going to combine it into the dry ingredients. So you'll see it's pretty wet. What we're looking for is like a wet dough. So I've added some more oat flour. So now we've gone beyond my 6 teaspoons. Anyway, we're going to need a baking tray and some baking paper. Then we divide the mix into 3 equal portions using a tablespoon. We'll pop it onto the dish. We're going to cook this in the oven for about 7 to 10 minutes, and the oven will be at 180 degrees Celsius. Oh, P.S. I've got a 10% off discount code for you for the Happyway products. You'll find it in the description box of this video along with the recipe to these protein English muffins. Taste test. Who made this? Oh, it was me. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have any comments or questions, please pop them in the comment section down below. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. What's the other thing? If you like this episode, give me one of these. Oh my god, the other day we taste tested this. I took it to Cove and I was like, we've got to use 10 grams. Guys, I found there is a scoop included. Thanks, Eva and Mark, for pointing that out.